Hello everyone, Lae Lae here. Stop buying garlic. Do you know, I really love garlic. I use it every day in my cooking, and it is also very useful for keeping vampire away every night. We can buy garlic from most grocery or supermarket, but if like me you use it every day, then this can be an expensive option. So why don't you try to grow your own? It's easy and very rewarding. Some gardeners do not recommend planting garlic pot from a supermarket because they might carry diseases or be unsuitable for the British climate. So result may be disappointing. This may be true, but it is the cheapest way to get going, and I have some great results last year with no issue. And they recommend planting before the first frost, but this year I'm a little bit late. If your soil is not frozen solid, then it is not too late to plant garlic where you live. Ideally, you will want to plant about a month before your ground freezer or within 2 weeks of your first frost. Garlic can be planted on a frozen soil, just don't forget to mulch on top. Mix in a lot of good compost long before you want to start planting. In my boxes, I have my homemade compost mix with soil from last year and top it off with horse manure. Break the bolts into globes, leaving skin on. Place glove 3-4 cm below ground surface, root down, and plant about 15 cm between each glove in an area which will receive maximum sunlight hours and with good drainage. Water your garlic during drying periods throughout the growing seasons, but stop watering completely during the last few weeks. Carefully remove any weeds as they appear. From February, apply sulfate or potash to your garlic every 6 weeks to give it all the nutrition it needs to grow successfully. Planted garlic seed is a bit different than seed garlic clove. One seed garlic clove will produce a harvestable crop the following years. Garlic seed take a bit longer before harvest. I bought some elephant garlic seed over the internet for £3 for 50 seeds. I will plant 25 of them using my damp tissue method and 25 in a seed tray with soil. It is my first attempt at growing from seed, so we will see which grows better, and I will keep these in the greenhouse. So I have to make a frame with the net to protect squirrel, badger. For harvesting, garlic will tell you when it is time to harvest. Too early and you will miss the final growth spot. Too late and your bowl will rot in the ground. When the garlic falls over and the leaves are brown, it's harvest time. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and following. I will give you an update in spring. Good luck with your planting. See you next week.